Hi, Dr. Anita Hawk here, helping you improve your posture. Now, if you really want to improve your posture, then you may already have one of these, which is called the neck orthotic. And if you have one of these, I want to share with you how to simply, easily use this at home and safely. You'll notice that there's two sides to this neck orthotic. There's a shorter straight side and a longer angled side. The angled side is the side that I'm resting my head on, and the shorter side is the side that I want to put towards my shoulders, just like so. So I'll actually hold the neck orthotic in this position just like this, so that the short side is going to be positioned towards my shoulders. Then I'm going to slide the neck orthotic all the way to the back of my head until I can kind of put my chin up. Once my chin is able to kind of lift up, meaning I have the sandwich right in my neck, that's when I'm going to lay right back on a flat surface just like this. Let me move it in a little bit so you can see. You'll notice that it is the base of my neck, and my goal is for my chin to go up towards the ceiling. And with my knees bent in this position, my goal is to meditate, relax with my chin up for up to 5 minutes. So the goal is 5 minutes a day. Even if you start with just 1 minute a day and work it up to 5 minutes, that will still be beneficial and help you tremendously improve your posture. When you're getting out of this, the best way to do this is to use your hands to pull your head up first, slide the neck orthotic from underneath your neck, and then come up safely. If you don't have one of these neck orthotics and you want to improve your posture and get one, just let us know. We have them at the office and we'll be happy to provide you with one also.